Here's how to clean a PlayStation 2 controller. To do this, you're going to need a dirty PS2 controller, some disinfectant wipe, some rubbing alcohol, some Q-tips, and something sharp. So go ahead and take your disinfectant wipes and go down the whole controller cord. If you don't have any disinfectant wipes, I have a how-to video on how to make them. So let's get started. After you're done with that, go ahead and take your sharp and go around all the cracks to get the dirt out. Then take your disinfectant wipe and go around the outer shell of the controller. You can also take some rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips and go around all the buttons one more time. And now you're done.
Thanks for watching. Go to youtube.com/ZachCato for more videos.